And welcome to another episode of Stap On It, America's first national stapping show in the history. I'm your host, Deacon Doc. We got some new show for you today. This episode is all about health and help. Now, we're in Chicago with Ken Bedford's